your nutrients. Mama, it is beautiful. Hey, Chimo, I'm so happy. I love your music. Hey, Chimo. Just because I love your music. Time make una want pajela muku. Now bad thing to love person music.
God bless you. Can you please go to TikTok or YouTube? Just search me.
Bible man say. Hey way. No be Sister Marachi be that. Of Chindiamuma music. Hey, oh yeah. Chindiamuma nwere ihe ọ na-eme. Chindiamuma o nwere ihe ọ na-eme o. Chindiamuma o nwere ihe ọ na-eme o. Amarachukwu. Hey! Every time.
Hello,
Check well. Did you just push me? In the remark, I'm taking a Did you just push me and I fly like a butterfly? Because I plan you. Because I see somebody that did something I love. That your music where you sing the Chindiamuma, anytime I go to talk, I see that music. I go listen to them to the end. And I see you say, make I give you applause and appreciate you for the good work you are doing. Give Koranaka. Because of one track where you sing, you don't carry bouncing. When you can't do full album, Ami Baraka or Barack Obama eshi ala Uganda. Chitrago Mopol. The Bible talk and say pride go before fall. When you carry yourself and shoulder like this, but allow God to place you that place. The Bible talk and say pride go before fall. When you carry yourself and shoulder like this, but allow God to place you that place where He wants you to be. That is only when it will remain forever. Now look at it. Just look at you. Not that to go to the whole entertainment industry now. What you call braga bite. Braga bite. Na braga na bite. Call we are Kobakelu. When you could 1,000 followers. You look down on that person because even when 2,000 comments, only cause them 100. Does it really matter? Do not want to be a Christian. Most of you who call yourselves Christians, this is how you live your life this time around. When you don't do one song, where we say, no, be even do them, you copy somebody's song, go do. Chineke mama, and they took talk a minute, got to one viral. Get Kobeziaka. Get results on your phone. You become so arrogant. Knowing fully well that everything good comes from the Lord. And it's only when you humble yourself that gift will remain. But when you begin to boast about it, it will become an acrobatism to you and to your entire generation. Where people came when nothing. I went and walk like you black so good. But in the market, you get with that this year, you can't go. Matching. Nume, you get the Kata Cote. Oh, my she beggar Gabacote, no go take, you get to knock on more. Get one bastard. Come go where we go. Come cheap. My farm money me get one basket. I don't matter. About what take. It's out of no company. Every hot. Can you get Pataha Nigeria? You need Nigeria, I need no tonight. You all to try to work up. Yagasa, Yapataha no daughter. Go not tell them here. Give one outside the got to grapple. Get you Patapanch on your child, they got to grapple. Give you one like head, they got to grapple. They value their fans. But over here, everybody's like this. He makes one mistake, fans to go correct. You begin to cost them. You become a cost mass. No matter. Never got you. I'm kidding. I can't want them to be more young man. Him there, and now man, I lazy. Never can remain. He got this. Landlord, anything where I talk, now you go do. Landlord, this 2 years rent where I dey owe you, I won't make you forget them. Okay, landlord. Okay, landlord. I'm here.
My landlord. All this just say now skit the rain. Now skit now the rain now. So now skit we come the art. Na prank. You been dey come out? I dey come.
Hey, if you step on it, thunder go fire you. Okay, landlord, waiting go happen.
Ask it.
Okay, landlord, na skit.
Let's get on the play. You know, all this is not be see na attachment with this na red clothes. All this is na rubber cow. Now play.
Na play.
Now play.
This, you came to my window, peep. I followed you. Give me,
Oh.
yes, you don't call me and I don't answer. Okay, that is who I am.
Oh, were you following me?
I was running after you. So this is what you are up to.
No.
The grace I have given you to leave my house for over 2 years, you've not paid your rent. Because of your wife that has tumo. I've been considering you, allowing because of that very woman. Because your wife is a very nice
Is it because I mentioned 2 years? Yeah, I was just joking.
No, so what kind of joke could be that one? Say anything when you talk, I go to do. So you want to do me touch and follow, or talk and do.
No, be you. This is what they do now. What in they?
So who be your landlord here? Now your papa get to the house. No. Or landlord where you call, who be that person where you call with your landlord?
Now the character where they for
character ga kawagon, character ga crackers ga kapia gono, snake one time. You see why you poor people don't progress? You see it. Little grace I gave you to live in my house for how many years now you've not been paying your rent. Then the next thing is to do juju. For you to take over, or for me to even forget you to pay rent entirely. You have money to go and do juju, but you don't have money to pay your rent.
This is not be juicy.
Come on, will you stop? If that thing touch me, now 4 boys will lift you up now. Don't tell you
that is nothing. If I touch you now, there's...
If that thing touch me, no, let that thing touch me now. Let that thing touch me.
It's fake.
Let that thing touch me.
No, it's okay. I'm not here to quarrel with you. It's just that you misunderstood me. This was just a skit. I'm trying to...
You poor. You get bad mind. You get evil mind. You get everything is in you. Can't you just choose that poverty where God has given you and keep managing the poverty? Now you can't carry juju, Adam. Poverty with a little touch of juju. Yeah, for me. Somebody who in his life is being rewarded in the blood of Mato. Come on, to sing position. Get out. In there you went back, Gary. Your mama will die since they don't want to finish. You see they wear the clothes they walk around. They turn that fire you, fire your generation. You're not from Oga landlord. Oga landlord, anything where you talk, make I do. No, can't give me my money. You see poor people with their mentality. You don't get money, get a good heart. You can go to Dibia and get juju, but you cannot get money to pay your rent. This is almost how most of people of nowadays, this is how they live their life. Oga landlord. Anything where you talk, make you do. It will Jehovah Jireh. You were talking to do none and okay. Idiot of no in comparison. Damn you.